welcome back to our second generation STEAM video. We are so excited to be putting out a brand new video for you guys that delves into some super cool science concepts. Sorry for the very long break, but our team is prepared to be putting out brand new lessons for you guys every other week, so definitely stay tuned for that. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about density and specifically experimenting with what causes one substance to float on top of another one. We hope that you have fun, stay engaged, and most importantly, stay safe and healthy within your households.
As we start to talk about density, we might also want to talk about the person who discovered density. So Archimedes was a Greek mathematician who discovered density in 230 BC. And here we have Archimedes. The king of Syracuse had a crown but wanted to make sure it was of pure gold. Therefore, he gave Archimedes the task of figuring it out. As Archimedes went into his bathtub, he noticed water spilling out as he went in, providing him an idea which would lead to proving the crown to be pure gold, as well as guide him in discovering the idea of density. When he found out density, he called out, "Eureka!" If you hear that today, it means I found it. Fun fact 2. Wonder why ice floats on top of your cold drinks? Well, ice is the solid form of water, and it happens to be less dense, which is why it floats on top.
Hey everybody, my name is Zach, and today I'll be teaching you guys the science behind how density works. Did you guys realize that a large log of wood floats on water, but comparatively small piece of rock sinks? This is possible because of density. So what exactly is density? Density is a word we use to describe how much an object or substance takes up in relation to the amount of matter in that object or substance. To put it into simple terms, density refers to how much mass there is in a particular space. So the reason why the log of wood floats on water is because the wood has less density compared to the water, which has more density. And the reason why the piece of rock sinks is because the rock has more density compared to the water, which has less density. Have you ever wondered how oil separates from water when mixed together? The reason why oil is able to float is because it has less density than water. Another reason why oil is able to float is because both oil and water are immiscible liquids, meaning that they do not mix together with each other even if we shake them. In our experiment today, we'll be experimenting with different kinds of liquids and how they separate from each other.
Hi everybody, welcome to our Density Tower Lab demo. Here we're going to be using just a standard cup to create our density tower with. We also have a number of materials like syrup, alcohol, milk, dish soap to test density with. Now these aren't materials that are all sandstone. You can experiment with your own liquids, but let's get started. We're going to first start by pouring a little bit of syrup at the bottom. This will be our first thing we're going to be testing with. And let that syrup set. We're going to use milk as our next liquid. Next, we're going to be experimenting with a little dish soap. Takes a little bit for the dish soap to set in, but next, our olive oil. And lastly, our rubbing alcohol. Cool, so we see our 5 layers here. First, our syrup at the bottom, our milk, our dish soap, our olive oil, and our alcohol at the top.
Thank you so much for watching our video on density. We really hope you enjoyed the lesson. Stay tuned for more videos every other week. Thank you. Bye.